You're listening to SBS News. Data from Johns Hopkins University shows the new case numbers in the United States are rising from about 12,000 a day to almost 20,000 new daily infections. The fast-spreading Delta variant is being blamed for the rise, along with the family gatherings that took place for the 4th of July Independence Day holiday. Associate Professor of Epidemiology at Johns Hopkins University, Dr. David Dowdy, says he expects to see more people in hospital and more deaths, but nothing like what was seen last year.
I think we can expect to see hospitalizations rise. We'll probably see deaths go up, although not to the same extent because we have more people who are vaccinated. But it is concerning. Things are not trending in the right direction, at least in this country.
There's also concern among US political leaders about falling demand for vaccines with too many unvaccinated Americans. About 48% of the population is fully vaccinated, which is well below what many epidemiologists say is the 70 to 80% required for herd immunity. Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell says those who are yet to get vaccinated need to keep hearing about the benefits.
Everyone who knows this subject says that if you get the disease again, chances are pretty good you're not going to die from it if you get vaccinated. So I don't know how many times we have to keep saying it.
South of the border, workers at car industry supply companies in Mexico are getting vaccinated while they're at work. Auto technology supplier Aptiv started vaccinating workers in its car park. Vanalia Gonzalez is representative of Aptiv.
Throughout this week, we want to vaccinate more than 5,000 people. That includes our employees, their families, our vendors, and also employees from other companies. This is very important for us because we want to contribute and help the authorities to get to a new normal and hopefully reactivate the economy and reopen the borders.
Nigeria is expecting to receive almost 8 million additional doses of COVID-19 vaccines by the end of August, including from a US government donation. Nigeria used its initial supply of nearly 4 million shots last week and is planning to resume vaccinations when the supplies arrive. Head of the Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Faisal Shabu, says Nigerians need to keep complying with prevention measures while they wait for more vaccines.
With the detection of the Delta variant of COVID-19 in Nigeria, it is important that Nigerians continue to observe non-pharmaceutical or public health measures such as wearing of face masks, social distancing, and hand hygiene in order to curb transmission of the disease while we await additional doses of the COVID-19 vaccines.
And Scotland has announced it will relax many of its restrictions next week in line with England's reopening timetable. But First Minister Nicola Sturgeon says some measures had to be left in place.
This is intended to ensure that our pace of easing restrictions is sensible in light of the challenge we continue to face from the Delta variant. And I will also confirm that certain mitigations, such as the mandatory wearing of face coverings, will remain in place, not just now, but in all likelihood for some time to come.
Globally, COVID-19 has now killed more than 4 million people. Greg Dyett, SBS News.